This is a practice video for Warrior Legacy by Newbold. This is the full orchestra arrangement of this piece, and I'll be doing the first violin part. We're going to start at measure 14 on your entrance with the metronome set at a quarter equals 92. We're going to go all the way up to 72 where it changes to 12/8, and then I'll reset the metronome. I'll be doing all the upper divisi notes, and all the third position fingerings are written in your parts, but do come and see me if you have any questions about how to do that third position. So here's measure 14, 3 beats, and then we're in 1 flat in the key signature, F natural, C natural. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. And then 7 measures rest. Here's the pick up to 31. We're coming in on the and of beat 3. So 1, 2, 3. Two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then 3 measures rest. You do your tremolo. In the last measure of tremolo, if you're doing the upper part, go to 3rd position already. I'm going to start on the 16th note just so you can practice that with me in tune. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do that for 5 measures and then hold the D. Okay. So then there's a solo at the bottom of the page, those last 2 measures before the 12/8. We'll be slowing down, but this is how that'll go. Oops, sorry. So the solo plays the top dotted whole note on the top of page 2 at measure 72. Everybody else in the section will jump right down to that open D with our repeated rhythm that's coming up now. All right, so here's 72. We're switching to 12/8 time. I'll be conducting in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this part actually goes quite fast. So rather than 116, I'm going to do this at 110. Just a little bit slower. And we've got just your typical kind of 12/8 rhythm here, 6/8 rhythm. Do that for 4 measures. So we'll do that in just a sec. Remember that the dotted quarter note gets the pulse, so at measure 80, you have a 1 beat for dotted quarter, and then you'll have 3 beats tied for your dotted quarter tied to the dotted half, and we'll double check all that counting in class. At 84, the rhythm here, kind of think of the first half of this measure as a big triplet with 2 eighth notes happening on the last note of the triplet. So 1 and a, 1 and a, 1 and so on. That rhythm happens again at 109, and I think that's about it. So let's take it now in tempo from, we'll just start at 80. So here's measure 80. So again, this is a little bit quick. Feel free to practice it slower before you jump back into this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. measures rest, and here's 109. Okay. All right, so again, see me if you have any questions about that third position. Practice this obviously a lot slower before you go up to full speed, and mostly focus on that section 88 to 96.